Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese omelet bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of bread, and about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple dish is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Now let's craft the omelet. Whisk your 2 eggs thoroughly with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper until they are light and fluffy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, pour in the egg mixture. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds to set the bottom. It's time to assemble our delicious dish. Gently place 1 slice of bread directly onto the cooking omelet while it's still soft. After about 30 seconds, carefully flip the omelet and bread together. Now, quickly sprinkle 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over the exposed omelet side. This creates a wonderful cheesy layer that will melt perfectly. For the final step, fold the omelet over the bread, creating a delightful cheese omelet sandwich. Press down gently with your spatula. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is beautifully melted and gooey. Serve your cheese omelet bread immediately and savor every warm, comforting bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.